So let's talk HTTPS security and SSL. All right, so this is just about security. And secure websites are going to be more likely to rank higher than those without an SSL certificate or without the HTTPS, preceding the URL. HTTPS ensures that the data exchange between the user and the website is encrypted, protecting it from any kind of potential breaches. What's up, everyone? It's Steve. Real quick, if you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe and tap the bell to get notified whenever I release new videos. Your likes help my channel grow, and you'll never miss out on the latest content I'm putting out. Now, let's jump back in. I rarely see non-HTTPS sites any longer. It's rare that I see them. Every now and then I get one here and there, but it is so rare where, I mean, for a long while, the only time we used HTTPS was if you were in a store. Right now, Google's wanted this security for a long time now, and thankfully, this has really become more standard practice. Security breaches like hacks or other malware infections can really lead to significant SEO penalties, and non-secure sites tend to be more easily broken into, more easily infected. Search engines can also de-index compromised sites to protect your users, causing sudden drops in rankings and traffic. So security is definitely a big issue here in multiple ways. Secure sites increase trust by users, right? 85% of online shoppers avoid websites that don't display a secure connection. Like I said, there's not too many of those anymore. More people than ever are looking at that, understand this, and over 50% of cyber attacks target data that's in transit, kind of going between the user and the website. SSL helps protect that. And additionally, other browsers like Chrome in particular, they were the first ones to do this. They actually display warnings for a site that's non-secure, right? And that can easily deter. So here's a picture I took from one where it literally says not secure. So if you're trying to buy something from that or look at that, if you see not secure, you're likely to leave. And I think it was really when Google started doing that, that HTTPS really kind of like the last holdouts just said, okay, we got to go for it because nobody wants to look at their URL and say it's not secure.